Yeah, we're doing there's an opportunity for a photo op a little later, sir. सर बीच शादी में आपने हाँ या there's my 1 minute video of me in a park, please, if anybody's interested. Yeah, come. So, ladies and gentlemen, there is, whenever we have the sight of a leaking pipe, it in many ways is quite an awful sight every time you look at it. It symbolizes ignorance, bad quality, carelessness, and a mess. And whenever we waste water, in many ways, we are like that leaking pipe. So let's today pledge that we won't behave like leaky pipes and be more responsible and thoughtful when we use water. And not be water brats in many ways. With that, we shall now put up the pledged water amounts of all 7 of us here. All of us pre-took the pledge, and here are the results in just a second. There you have it.
So that
Yeah.
we can see it.
Please remember, and Farhan had asked for this earlier also, please log on to missionblue.in. Please take your own water test, and please do pledge. Here are ours, and as you can see, we all have pledged this, and even this much will be making such a big difference. I hope everyone in this room also pledges and goes forth. Now, the pledge podiums are around for each and every one of you to step forward and do your bit towards this wonderful cause, and of course, tell your friends and share it with your family members and everyone else you can. We're going to open up this floor for just a few questions regarding this topic, if any one of you have them.
Are we giving the final impact?
Here is. It's not like how
Any
was
questions, guys?
There's a gentleman here.
मेरा सवाल सभी से है कि पानी को लेकर जब बात होती है यहाँ तो अर्बन सेंटर्स में जैसे हम सिटीज़ में रहते हैं यहाँ पर टैक्सेस लोग ज़्यादा देते हैं तो सारी सहूलियतें सिटीज़ के लोगों को ज़्यादा मिलती है जबकि हम लोग रूरल एरियाज़ को बहुत नेगलेक्ट करते हैं तो पानी के मामले में भी कुछ ऐसा ही होता है कि किसानों को पानी नहीं मिलता है बहुत सारी अन्य तरह के जो बिजनेसेस होते हैं उनको पानी नहीं मिलता है तो ये अर्बन रूरल डिवाइड है उसके बारे में आप लोग कुछ अगर बोलना चाहें तो
I think one of the films is talking about that as well, right? Here.
जो फिल्म हमने बनाई है उसमें इसी बात को हमने दिखाया है कि शहर में भी बहुत फ़र्क है कि जो हाउसिंग सोसाइटीज़ है जो बड़े घर हैं वहाँ पानी इतना इस्तेमाल होता है वॉशिंग मशीन में गाड़ी धोने में स्विमिंग पूल में और उसी के पास जैसे जिस घर में मैं पहले रहता था वहाँ नीचे ही एक पूरा स्लम था उनके पास एक बूंद पानी नहीं था और हमारे पास 24 घंटे पानी था और हम उस पानी का इतना गैर इस्तेमाल करते थे जबकि वहाँ पर लोग क्यू में खड़े रहते थे लड़ाई होती थी पानी के लिए तो इसलिए ये मतलब ये प्रॉब्लम हमारे देश भर में है मैं जहाँ एक गांव में रहता था 3-4 साल रहा था जहाँ से वापस आकर मैंने अपनी फिल्में बनाई तो अभी कुछ 1 साल पहले मैं वहाँ गया तो देखा कि हमारा जो गार्डन था वो पूरा सूख गया था और मैंने पूछा कि क्या हुआ बोला पानी आता नहीं है मतलब 1 साल से यहाँ बिल्कुल पानी नहीं आ रहा है तो पहला मतलब हमारा रिस्पांस था इसका कि चलो घर भेज देते हैं कि पानी नहीं आता है मतलब यहाँ रह के फ़ायदा क्या हमने उस घर को रखा और कहा कि भी क्या कर सकते हैं तो हमने रियलाइज़ किया कि हमारी खुद की एक बुरी आदतें जो थी उसने इस चीज़ को खड़ा किया है भाई पानी का टैक्स भरते हो आपको पानी मिलता है वो सब मतलब उससे ज़्यादा हमारी गैर जिम्मेदारी है जो हमें इस स्थिति पर लाकर बिठाया है जिसने हमें और 2025 में जो हमें मतलब पूरी तरह से बर्बाद कर सकता है तो ये हमने रियलाइज़ किया
Anybody else?
Hi, I have a question. Farhan, this is for you. It's World Earth Day tomorrow, okay? And it's very timely what you guys are doing today. So the question is, what's that one environmental change that you'd like to see in this country and in this city? And what effort would you like to make towards that?
Well, I think the big pressing issue is the issue of water. You know, so I think water conservation is something that I have pledged to to do, to be part of, to raise awareness about it. There are many initiatives that the National Geographic team is working on, which I will be part of. These films are a part of this initiative of Mission Blue. But I think as far as environmental concern, I mean, of course, there is global warming, there's many things that can be spoken about. But the thing that impacts our lives directly, every single day, and not just us standing here, like the gentleman there was asking, even people who live in villages who don't have access to water as easily as we do. You know, it's important that we start thinking about them right now. We start thinking about this on a day-to-day level, because it's not a problem that's going to go away if we don't handle it and don't face up to it right now. So that really is my biggest concern.
हाय फरहान, फरहान पानी की वेस्टेज की हम बात कर रहे हैं तो आपको पहली बार कब ऐसा एहसास हुआ था कि वेस्टेज आपको भी रोकनी है? पहली बार आप कब जागरूक हुए थे? मिशन से तो आप जुड़े हैं।
मेरे ख्याल से कुछ अभी शायद 8-9 साल हो गए इस बात को, जब पहली बार मुझे एहसास हुआ कि ये जो कमोडिटी है वाटर, कि इसके बारे में ज़्यादा सोचना पड़ेगा कि इसे कैसे मतलब एक ठीक तरह से इस्तेमाल इंसान करे. So I've tried to be as responsible as I can, you know, with it over the last 8-9 years. Also with my children, I teach them about the importance of conservation. At times they remind me when I forget. कभी-कभी मैं glass पानी का पीता हूँ, आधा छोड़ जाता है तो कहते please finish it or then put it back in the bottle. My kids tell me this, my 10-year-old. You know, so this does happen. So it's been roughly about that long.
Hi, Farhan and even the team. बहुत अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है. At the same time, गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से क्या आप कोई हेल्प चाहते हैं या उनसे कोई बात हुई है कि इस मिशन को आगे बढ़ाने में कोई मदद मिले?
I'll just take that since this is really our initiative that he's partnered with. Well, you know, as you've seen National Geographic, we are obviously trying to create a change in consumer behavior. That's what we've tried to do. That's what we've done for, you know, over a century now. You've seen that. You've seen a lot of the magazine covers. Some of them are over, decades old. So I think when it comes to that, I think, and it wouldn't be the first time, we've always got appreciation of the work that we're doing. We've always been offered to see if, there's more help that we can do. But I think the core right now, and I think the easiest thing is to say ki, "Arey, hamara problem nahi hai." And I think that's the different thing about this initiative is the fact that we have to do something ourselves and change our habit. And that's the core thing that we're trying to drive with this at the moment.
With that, thank you, because if we're pressed for time, we won't be taking any more questions. But now is a great opportunity for a photo op, which we were trying to achieve earlier. So if you guys could drop your microphones here. Swati, if you could.
No, before that, I just want to, it's gone off. I just want to thank everybody for coming here once again. And I hope you could, again, take your pledges over there. A special thank you to the team at Star India, who's managed this with us with 70 AMG. So thank you, everybody. And let's do the photo op. And Cyrus, thanks, man.
Thank you.
अरे ना रे मिगेल बोल रहा हूँ बोल रहा हूँ हाँ ठीक है सर डोंट फॉलो आंसर जरा हाँ आज आंसर मुझे जोड़ा है हाँ मैं आपको जो संपर्क जो हाँ ठीक हो ठीक
Alright guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much for being here. And you also please do not leave without